Hey guys, what's up? My name's Austin Philbeck. I have a YouTube channel if you can't tell already. I've been making videos for quite a while, but lately I've been through quite a depressive stage. I wasted hours upon hours of my life procrastinating, scrolling through social media, still daydreaming about what I wanted to accomplish, but not actually putting forth any effort. I had a lot of fun making my YouTube videos. I put out quite a few. I've made an absolute shit ton of memories. I made friends along the way. Fucking Christ!
We gotta leave.
Oh my God! And there's clips that I will always be able to go back and watch of the quote-unquote best years of my life. Got a car.
Got a car. That's mine. That's mine.
That's fucking worth it.
Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Hell yeah, brother. You're watching the Austin Philbeck channel. Hell yeah.
Small ball. Hey, Sam, come here. Damn, Trevor, your forehead look big as fucking.
I haven't posted in quite a while though. After attending countless shows with my friends and also helping them build their own cars, I decided that I wanted to build my own. This is going to give my YouTube channel a platform so that I could actually gain a following off of my own car. And it was a big personal accomplishment that I wanted to achieve. Do something funny. I put so much effort into building my car the way that I envisioned. I filmed absolutely everything while building this car.
You happy, Bob?
Yeah, these are like the first moments where I'm like seeing it come together. Oh, it's sick.
Yeah! And I procrastinated because I didn't know how to go about putting out this footage. I still don't know how to go about putting out this footage. I don't know if this is the right way. I wanted to be proud of the videos that I put out with this content. But I've also realized that nothing's ever going to happen unless I actually put forth the effort. I hope you guys tune in and enjoy the videos because I am trying to make something that I am proud of.
I know, it doesn't sound good.
I'm so fucking stoked that I got actual showcase.